Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make mushroom soup.
The ingredients we need for mushroom soup is chives, garlic granules, salt, pepper, olive oil, chopped onions and chopped mushrooms. Empty saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, let it heat up. Hot. Yep. Add the onions. Saute the onions first.
Mix it.
Half a teaspoon of chives, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, salt to taste, and half a teaspoon of grounded pepper. And the mushrooms. Mix and let it cook. Let it cook. Now the heat, after taking it off the heat, we're going to put it in the grinder to make it all nice and smooth. We don't like lumpy soup, do we? We like smooth soup, innit, Mariam?
Yeah.
Okay, here's mushroom soup. We're gonna add some cream to it just before we start eating. That's optional if you want to add cream to it. Done.
So the soup is ready. So if you liked today's video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.